Arizona's ESA money never touches Stripe. ClassWallet AC is your own bank, and the vendor payment report is the whole integration. So Arizona schools get an extra tab in billing. Click ClassWallet. Export the payment report as CSV. Column names vary, so this reads whatever it recognizes and tells you what it ignored. Choose the file, then click Review Report. For rows, one already recorded, one settled with nobody matched to it, and one in red. Red is a return payment. The bank pulled that money back after it settled. Don't record it. Re-invoice the family. This one settled, but the export named the account holder, not the child. Pick the student yourself. This row matched itself. The student, their open invoice, and the amount are already filled in. Record payment writes it against the invoice and stores the transaction ID, so your bank statement ties back. Upload a wider export tomorrow, and that row comes back as already recorded. Nothing is booked twice. And ClassWallet keeps 2% of every payment, so bill it as its own line. Try it free at Pearspark.com.